Everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some important bits regarding the topic phrasal verbs from the English grammar. Which of the following is an adjective phrase? Answer: a girl smarter than me. Which of the following is a prepositional phrase? Answer: like a beautiful swan. Which of the following is prepositional phrase? Answer: by the light of the moon. Which of the following is an adverb phrase? Answer: after the sunset. Which of the following is a noun phrase? Answer: I consider her my best friend. Which of the following is an adverb phrase? Answer: like a monk in meditation. Fair and square. Answer: honest. Harp on. Answer: to keep on talking. To read between the lines. Answer: to grasp the hidden meaning. To bring one's eggs to a bad market. Answer: to fail in one's plans because one goes to the wrong people for help. Apple pie order. Answer: in perfect order. Which of the following is an adjective phrase? Answer: the handbag is very classy and expensive. Which of the following is a noun phrase? Answer: the choreographer was happy. Played havoc. Answer: caused destruction. To turn over a new leaf. Answer: to change the old habits and adopt new ones. To be in abeyance. Answer, in suspense. I met him after a long time, but he gave me the cold shoulder. Answer, ignored me. At loggerheads. Answer, to be at strife. To wrangle over an ass shadow. Answer, to quarrel over trifles. Although he has failed in the written examination, he is using backstage influence to get the job. Answer, secret and unfair influence. An apple of discord. Answer, cause of quarrel. He was undecided. He let the grass grow under his feet. Answer, loitered around. Will or the wisp. Answer, anything which includes or deceives. To save one face. Answer, to evade disgrace. All agog. Answer, restless. To flog a dead horse. Answer, to waste one's efforts. To worship the rising sun. Answer, to honor a man who is coming into office. When he heard that he had once again not been selected, he lost heart. Answer, became discouraged. Above board. Answer, honest and straightforward. This matter has been hanging fire for the last many months and must therefore be decided one way or the other. Answer, going on slowly. At the spur of the moment. Answer, very slow. Companies producing goods play to the gallery to boost their sales. Answer, attempt to appeal to popular taste. Ins and outs. Answer, full details. To split hairs. Answer: to indulge in over refined arguments. In the armed forces, it is considered a great privilege to die in harness. Answer: die while still working. To take with a grain of salt. Answer: to take with some reservation. To talk through one hat. Answer: to talk nonsense. At a loss. Answer: to be unable to decide. Sobraj could be easily arrested because the police were tipped off in advance. Answer: given advance information. He passed himself off as a nobleman. Answer: pretended to be. To take people by storm. Answer: to exploit people's agitation. To take the bull by the horns. Answer: to grapple courageously with difficulty that lies in our way. To cast pearls before a swine. Answer: to offer to a person a thing which he cannot appreciate. To give or get the bird. Answer: to send away. Hobson's choice. Answer: accept or leave the other. At one's fingertips. Answer: complete knowledge. The cricket match proved to be a big draw. Answer: a huge attraction. To snap one's fingers. Answer: to become contemptuous of. Which of the following is a verb phrase? Answer: she should wait before going for shopping. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.